case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, a case rocked the Louisiana Court of Appeal, the Thornton v. National Railroad Passenger, which underscored the weighty role of jury verdicts in a FELA case, proving that even in federal laws, state rules and regulations held sway. It became a cause célèbre for the gravity of damage awards and the circumstances under which they'd be overturned. At the heart of the case was an accident involving an Amtrak worker, Milton Thornton Sr. While engaged in his duties, Mr. Thornton found himself in a predicament that would alter the course of his life forever. His task involved the replacement of bolster springs on an Amtrak Super-liner coach. Tragically, as he toiled away, the wood blocking supporting the Super-liner gave way. For 5 excruciating minutes, Mr. Thornton's hands were wedged between pieces of machinery until he was finally rescued. His injuries were extensive: lacerations on both hands, a fractured small finger on the right hand, and, most devastatingly, the amputation of his small finger on the left hand. His doctor, a hand specialist named Dr. Stokes, diagnosed him with a 16% whole body disability, a direct result of the horrific railway accident. This gruesome accident led to a jury ruling heavily in favor of Mr. Thornton. They held Amtrak 90% liable for the accident, resulting in an award of $731,429 in special damages and a further $1.5 million in general damages to the wounded employee. However, Amtrak wasn't ready to take this verdict lying down. Alleging that the court erred in admitting 2 exhibits, they contested that these were inadmissible under lay CE Art. 407, the company felt the damage awards were unfairly high and proceeded to appeal the ruling. The court, however, stood firm, rejecting Amtrak's appeal. According to them, the general damage award of $1.5 million, far from being due to passion or prejudice, corresponded realistically to the extent of the damages as proven in court. With this, Amtrak's hope of overturning the initial decision ended, cementing the legal precedent for such injury cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.